How to make leader stats in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to actually open our game right here. So once you are now on your Roblox Studio and you are now on your game, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the right screen under the Explorer section. And then on the server script service, on your leader stats, what we're going to do is to add a new script. So go right there and then click the script right there. So what we're going to do next is to paste this code right here, which will be in the description box or the comment section. So just copy that right there and then paste it right here. And then once it is now done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the home and then click the game settings. Now, if you haven't saved your game yet, all you have to do is to save it and then relaunch the Roblox Studio, and then just go here again on the game settings, and then you will see this. So on this part, what we're going to do is to just click on the security. And once you're now on the security, you will now be able to see this enable studio access to API services. So what we're going to do here is to just enable this one right there and then click save. And then once you do that, that is basically it. That is how to make leader stats in Roblox Studio.